Hey guys, how's it going? It's the end of the day and it is super hot, and so we decided to come do a project. We actually have been packing orders nonstop and it's been really good. It's been a lot of work, but it's been a lot of fun. It's been very exhausting though. So we're taking a break and we decided to come out into the heat and do a little bit of gardening. We decided to do a little bit of gardening. I had just picked up some plants with Janie. We picked up some plants with Janie. And we decided that these are too hard to take care of in their nursery containers because it's hot out. So this is the first plant. This is one that I actually have wanted for a very long time. It's also known as a false cypress. I am not 100% certain on any of the information about this because I just spent about 45 seconds Googling it and came up with conflicting information. So we will put the stats on the screen of everything the way what I'm understanding is zones 4 through 9 and 6 to 8 feet tall, but then I also saw something else that said 30 feet tall. So we'll put the correct stats on the screen. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the proper name of it because it is way too hard, but we are going to put it in this container right here that we also just picked up. I love a good rolled rim, and this is a very small rolled rim, and I thought it was really pretty. We also have another issue that we're almost out of drip tubing. This is all the black tubing that we have left on the property. Luckily, it's enough to get through this container. So as always, I go under. And this is a 2 gallon per hour emitter, which should be plenty enough for the cypress right here. And then we're gonna get planted today also. I've got the Verbena binarius that I picked up with Janie. It got 104 today, and this hasn't been watered. So it's a little floppy. Yeah. It's okay, it'll get watered and it will be happy. And then we're gonna plant the Nyphophia, which is something that I never thought that I would actually have in my garden. I don't wanna say that I think that they're really pretty. I think that they're really interesting.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think they're super gorgeous?
I think they're
the prettiest flower.
I think they're interesting.
They're Janie's.
It's a little dead.
They're one of Janie's favorites.
Really?
Yeah. She's like obsessed with them right now.
They're just interesting the way that it blooms.
Like this random flower spike. Yeah. So we're gonna get one of these planted. I never thought that I would actually have one in my garden, but here we are.
The pop of color I think is gonna look really good too.
Yeah. Where are we gonna put it?
No idea.
no clue. Okay, you wanna fill this up with some soil?
Yeah. Make sure we don't lose the...
I'm gonna hold on to this.
Yeah,
you're gonna fill it up with soil.
Time, remember?
Yeah, I recall.
Oh, okay, Freya. Good job.
Yeah, sure, you go. We're not working.
Good job. Good catch.
Please don't throw the soil on me.
They might.
You could just lift the bag up.
Oh, that's strong. Okay, wait.
Oh.
Look at this. I swear I'm gaining muscles from working in your garden.
Wait, I think we need not that much. Oh, wait, you didn't get any out.
Close?
That's good enough, I think. Just set that to the side. It's like having a really great assistant.
Thanks. There you go.
Okay, do you want to hold the drip so we don't lose it?
Like last time.
Yeah.
Dude.
Freya. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh.
Oh, these roots are really cool.
That's very root bound. And I'm gonna tease the roots up a little bit because I don't ever do that. People yell at me all the time because I don't.
What does it do?
It helps the roots spread out a little bit further.
I don't really know what I'm doing, but...
Just messing the roots up a little bit. Okay, that's roughed up enough, I hope. Okay, do you want to backfill that with some soil?
I think this is your job. How am I supposed to lift it?
Okay, just pull the soil out.
So you did it too.
right, we've got the Nyphophia right here. This is actually, I planted it in between some coneflowers, and they're a red coneflower, so I thought that maybe it would blend in a little bit. The coneflowers haven't like started fully blooming yet, but you can see there's like a little pop there, a little pop there, and I think it just needed one more plant over here, honestly, so I think that works out perfectly. It'll kind of be a unexpected patch of red in the garden, or orange, either way, same thing. And then if we come over to this side, we've got the verbena over here. Both these plants like full sun. Actually, all three of them like full sun. So this one will be really happy. I've got amaranth here. I've got some petunias here, or they're pachoas. They're a cross between calibrachoa and petunias. And this should reach about there. And it will rebound. And I did mess up the roots a little bit just to like make sure that the roots could spread out. It was very root bound. This was already kind of a established plant in a 4-inch can, but I think it'll be fine. It should rebound, no problem. Like I said, full sun, and this should winter over for me. I'm expecting it to. Yeah, I shouldn't have a problem with that. And same with the Nyphophia. I don't exactly know anything about Nyphophia at all though, so we'll see what happens. And then we still have the Cyprus here in the container. I need to figure out where I actually want it to go. That's gonna be a project for a different me. We actually need to water that one in, and then I will move it probably over by where we normally sit, by our chairs, the lounging area. But I'm not gonna hook it up to drip yet because I'm not 100% certain that's where I want it. But I do love it in this container, and I love the shape of it. It's just a very interesting piece. I've always loved these type of cypress. I really think that they're really pretty. Okay guys, we got those planted. It looks good. We're gonna go inside now because it is hot and the train is coming. Thanks for helping me garden.
Yeah, always.
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 This is my garden assistant. If you guys haven't, we still have some merchandise available. We are sold out of quite a few things, and we are sold out of quite a few sizes. We have a ton of the mauve hats. I did not realize you guys would love the Not My Rooster hats so much. And I think I already said this in the Q&A, but I do have plant tags on order, so I will be getting more plant tags. But if you haven't, shipping is free. Go check out what we have for merchandise available. Our website is visitourgarden.blog, and we're gonna go inside now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.